Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this video, I'll show you how to use macros in Microsoft Word to automate repetitive tasks. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new document, or open an existing one where you want to use a macro. Macros work by recording your actions and replaying them later, so think about the task you want to automate before starting. Now go to the View tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the View tab, click on Macros, and then select Record Macro. A dialog box will appear asking you to name the macro. Enter a clear and meaningful name, such as Format Text or Insert Header. Avoid spaces in the macro name. You can also choose where to store the macro. Select All Documents if you want to use it in any Word file, or this document if you want it only for the current file. Now, enter a description for the macro to describe this macro. Next, click OK. From this moment on, Word starts recording everything you do. Now perform the actions you want to automate. For example, you might select text, change the font size, apply a heading style, adjust spacing, or insert specific text. Every click and command you use is being recorded as part of the macro. Once you've completed all the steps, return to the View tab. Click Macros, and then choose Stop Recording. Your macro is now saved and ready to use. To run the macro, go to View. Then for macros, click on View Macros. Select the macro name from the list and click Run. Word will instantly repeat all the recorded actions exactly as you perform them. If you want to edit or delete a macro, open the Macros menu again and click Edit or Delete. Advanced users can also modify macros using Visual Basic for applications, but recording macros is the easiest and safest way to start. If this video helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more Microsoft Word tutorials and complete computer courses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.